Cornwell has a new diagnostic thermal camera that you don't want to miss out on. It integrates surface temperature and real-time thermal imaging to quickly view heat signatures of vehicle components. This reduces the time needed to measure multiple temperatures individually, whether it's electrical, HVAC, brakes, heated seats, and more. It has a fast 1-second boot up, a focus-free 2.4-inch TFT display, 10,800 pixel sensor resolution, and an ultra-fast 25 Hz frame rate. It can read temperatures from -4 degrees to 752 degrees Fahrenheit. Use the trigger-operated laser to pinpoint your target. Optional center spot measurement, surface area measurement, hot and cold tracking, and high and low temp alert make it useful for a variety of applications. Adjust the emissivity, reflective temperature, or measurement distance for more accuracy. Choose between 6 color palettes to suit your visual preference. The built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery features 8 hours of runtime with a 2-hour quick charge. It includes a thermal camera, a 16GB micro SD card, wrist wrap, USB-C cable, and a wall adapter. It's fully loaded and reliable to read the temps you need, and it's available from your local Cornwell dealer today.